दिल्ली में तीसरा एशिया लीडरशिप अवार्ड 2025 कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया है। इस कार्यक्रम में देश की जानी मानी हस्तियों ने शिरकत की है। इन्हीं जगमग हस्तियों के बीच एलन मालविया इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड को बेस्ट इंजीनियरिंग कंसल्टेंसी का अवार्ड दिया गया है। इस कार्यक्रम में बॉलीवुड एक्टर सोनाली बेंद्रे ने एलन मालविया इंफ्रा प्रोजेक्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर एलन मालविया को इस प्रतिष्ठित अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया है।
The future belongs to those who believe in beauty of their dreams. Welcome to the Universal Media Presents 3rd Asia Leadership Awards 2025.
We are running an aviation institute called Ambience Fly. Both of us own a company called as The Divine Journey by Spiritual Readers, which deals in occult science.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, requesting everyone to put your hands together for none other than the gorgeous, scintillating diva. Everybody, Sonali Bendre.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ आके. It's a pleasure to be here. It's the 3rd edition of Asia's Leadership Awards, and I think they've chosen, the name itself tells you, it's Leadership Awards. That means everybody who's receiving an award is a leader in their own right, in their profession or in their field. And so congratulations first of all to all the winners. I think here we are recognizing people from education and healthcare, amazing fields, a lot of work goes into it. So all the best, and I hope you keep recognizing the hard work that goes into it. Special thanks to Dr. Kadam and Mr. Chauhan, Mr. Mishra. Thank you so much for having me here, giving me this opportunity. It's a pleasure to be here.
I would like to call upon stage Mr. Rohan Shah, who is an international athlete, motivational speaker, businessman, and social activist. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the guest of honor for the day.
Happy afternoon to everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Rohan Shah, athlete. अब तक के लिए मैंने भारत के लिए 11 मेडल्स जीत चुका हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच. आई बिलोंग फ्रॉम छत्तीसगढ़, और मैं आज क्योंकि मैं फिटनेस वर्ल्ड से हूँ, तो हमेशा मैं एक हेल्थ के बारे में ज़रूर कहूँगा. मैंने जब अपनी एक बहुत खूबसूरत जर्नी जब मैंने शुरुआत की थी, वो आपसे मैं आज शेयर करना चाह रहा हूँ, क्योंकि फिटनेस एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आज के दिन में हम इतने सारे अच्छे लोग, बड़े प्रोफाइल के लोग, बिजनेसमैन हैं, अलग अलग प्रोफाइल से आए हुए हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम फिटनेस को बहुत ही कम टाइम देते हैं, बहुत ही कम समय देते हैं. आज जो ये फिट लड़का जो खड़ा है, वहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक के आज उसकी जर्नी में आपसे शेयर करने आया हूँ. क्योंकि एक समय था जब मैं क्लास 12th स्टैंडर्ड में था, बहुत ही चबी और गोलू मोलू मोटा था, और हर एक इंसान की लाइफ में एक विज़न होता है. मेरे भी लाइफ में एक विज़न, और मेरे लाइफ में एक विज़न था कि मुझे इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन करनी है. बट कहीं ना कहीं एक फिटनेस ही बहुत बड़ा एक मेन कॉज बन गया था, जिसके कारण मैं इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाया. और वो कहते हैं ना, जब वो एक समय आता है और आपको याद दिला देता है कि इंसान को कि कुछ करना है, और जिसके वजह से आप उस जर्नी में या उस विज़न में नहीं पहुंच पाए, वो आज तक वो ठेस मेरे मन में है. इसलिए मैंने सोच लिया था कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा करना है जिसमें मैं अपने देश को, हर देश में जाके मैं अपने झंडे गाड़ूं. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू द यूनिवर्सल मीडिया फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी. थैंक यू अमित जी एंड शुभम जी, मेरे को इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया और आपने मुझे एज अ गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर बुलाया. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू आकांक्षा मैम. थैंक यू.
Next, I would like to call upon stage Dr. Kadam. He is a cancer and diabetes specialist along with specialty in phytomedicine, chairman at Sarvagya Hospital and KK Herbal Industry, director at Godavari Global University, Rajmundry, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, professor in practice at Baba Farid Medical University at Punjab. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dr. Kadam.
जैसे कि नाम में ही आपको थोड़ा सा समझ में आ जाएगा कि फाइटोमेडिसिन मीन्स दोज मेडिसिन विच आर डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स, प्योरली प्लांट बेस्ड मेडिसिन. इसका कंसेप्ट जो आता है वो आता है बेसिकली हमारा इंडिजिनस नॉलेज जो है, दैट इज़ आयुर्वेदा. और आयुर्वेदा की जो कंसेप्ट्स है वो कितना प्रॉपरली आज की एरा में हमें एग्जीक्यूट कर पा रहे हैं हम. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बता देता हूँ. इन क्रूशियस टाइम ऑफ कोविड एक फॉर्मुलेशन जो मैंने आयुर्वेद की रेफरेंस से लेके मार्केट में उसको आफ्टर क्लिनिकल एविडेंस के साथ उसको ये किया था. सबसे पहला जो मेडिसिन हमारा क्या है, दैट इज़ आवर फूड. सो फार्म टू प्लेट वो जो मेडिसिन है वो स्टैंडर्डाइज अगर आ जाता है तो आपको उतना ज़्यादा इन कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. और अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ भी जाता है तो दिस फाइटोमेडिसिन स्टैंडर्डाइज मेडिसिन आर देयर in even last moment of what you can say. So phytomedicine is, ma'am, plant based derived medicines which are totally based on concept of Ayurveda for whole world. Thank you.
I am Dr. Dilip Donekar, Dr. Donekar Naturopathy Heart and Cancer Center. We are run in 3 hospitals, Nagpur, Mumbai and Dubai. Basically अभी तक कैंसर में जितने भी ट्रीटमेंट्स हुए एलोपैथिक ट्रीटमेंट्स वगैरह, बट नेचुरोपैथी काफ़ी पुरानी प्याती है, जिसे गौतम बुद्ध कालीन जीवक जी है जो राजवैद्य है, जिन्होंने 3000 वनस्पति रिसर्च किए थे. बस उसका मैं एक अंश हूँ. आज मेरे तीनों हॉस्पिटल रन कर रहा हूँ और मेरे पेशेंट जो है वो काफ़ी मीन्स अदर ट्रीटमेंट्स करके फिर मेरे पास आते हैं. जस्ट लाइक अ 4 टाइप ऑफ कैंसर, मेटास्टेटिक कैंसर, लंग कैंसर, लीवर कैंसर, एनी टाइप्स ऑफ कैंसर. जब सारे डॉक्टर्स हाथ छोड़ देते हैं कि उन्हें कहते कि आप घर में आराम करो, उसके बाद डॉक्टर डोनेकर से वो ट्रीट करते. और मैं जो ट्रीटमेंट करता हूँ नेचुरोपैथी और आयुर्वेदिक वे से ट्रीटमेंट करता हूँ, द स्ट्रीम ऑफ नेचुरोपैथी. उनमें कुछ मेडिसिन से, मेडिकेशन से, नेचुरोपैथी और आयुर्वेदिक, और कुछ डाइट शेड्यूल है. और आज मेरे पेशेंट नागपुर, मुंबई और दुबई, लंदन, अदर कंट्री से पेशेंट आते हैं क्योंकि वो जान चुके कि नेचुरोपैथी में सही ट्रीटमेंट्स होता है, प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट होता है और विदाउट एनी सर्जिकल ऑपरेशन, विदाउट एनी कीमोलाइट रेडिएशन. तो मेरी सबसे गुजारिश है कि आप अदर पैथीज पे भी आप कीजिए, लेकिन नेचुरोपैथी भी बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट देते हैं. आप हमारे हॉस्पिटल आ सकते हैं, डॉक्टर डोनेकर नेचुरोपैथी कैंसर सेंटर, नागपुर, मुंबई एंड दुबई. थैंक यू सो मच.
The most trusted company of the year, Road Safety and Traffic Solution Award goes to Bharat Mata 107 Industries Private Limited. May I request Mr. Vikas Dikshit, Director of Bharat Mata 107 Industries Private Limited, to come up on the stage to receive the award.
I'm Tanya from the Universal Media. Sir, can you please short introduce about yourself and your company as well?
Yeah, hi, I'm Vikas Dikshit. I have more than 17 years of experience in this road safety segment. First of all, I'll thanks to Universal Media to invite us for a wonderful event organized by them. And I'm really honored and overwhelmed to get an award from a celebrity like, she's one of my favorite also, Sonali Bendre ma'am. So let me come to my company. Basically, we BM107 Industries are actively involved in providing services like road safety and road asset management system, and also providing road safety solutions to our n number of clients. So in future, we'll leave no stone unturned to make this progressive growth in future as well. So I would like to thank each and everyone to make this happen.
Can you please express your feeling in one line or in a one sentence or in a one what?
Perfect. It's just perfect.
It's absolute, right? It's perfect. Well, would you like to send any feedback to our Asia leadership?
Yeah, it's organized in a very decent manner, so it's time-bound manner. So I really liked it.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your giving time. Thank you.
Moving on to the next award, Leading Innovators in Bromine and Magnesium Chloride Production with a legacy in the salt industry. And the award goes to Jagannath Salt Private Limited. Requesting Mr. Yogesh Gupta, Director, and Mr. Vineet Agarwal, Director of Jagannath Salt Private Limited, to come up on the stage to receive this prestigious award.
Hi sir, I'm Tanya from the Universal Media. Sir, can you please introduce about yourself and your company?
Jagannath Salt Private Limited, salt refinery.
Can you please tell us ki what specialization are you providing?
हम लोग का सोल्ट का रिफाइनरी है और सोल्ट का प्रोसेसिंग करके सबको 1 kg, हाफ kg पैकेट डोर टू डोर डिलीवरी का हम लोग का खुद का सोल्ट का रिफाइनरी है।
सर जान सकती हूँ कि ऐसी क्या चीज़ है आपकी कंपनी की जो आपको बाकी सभी कंपनियों से एक अलग पहचान देती है?
हमारी कंपनी की जो क्वालिटी है वो और अदर्स ब्रांड अदर्स फैक्ट्रियों से डिफरेंट है, एक्सीलेंट है। और हम डोर टू डोर, जैसे हमारा रिफाइनरी राजस्थान में भी है और गुजरात में भी है, जिससे हम पूरे इंडिया में इसको हम लोग डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके सबको कस्टमर को हम पहुंचा सकते हैं। ये हमारी विशेषताएं हैं।
May I request Mr. Sautwik Bhattacharya.
Well, hi, I am Tanya from the Universal Media. So let us know more about this, sir. So can you please introduce about yourself and your company as well?
I'm Sautwik Bhattacharya, Managing Director of Limelight Hotels Private Limited. We are a fine dining restaurant and bar at Kolkata, West Bengal, and we serve multi-cuisine dishes along with liquor and various mocktails and cocktails.
Perfect. Can you please tell us something about your journey or your achievements?
Achievements, we have started 20 years back as a restaurant and bar, and presently we are having 2 restaurants in Kolkata. One in Dalhousie, the prime position of Kolkata, the heritage place, and another in a very posh mall in Kolkata. And that's it. I'm myself and my wife, both are the directors, and we jointly work on working, and we work together. She's also with me, she's inside, and it's a good journey of us.
The award is for India's top quality rice processing brand of the year, and the award goes to Gati Group. Requesting Mr. Mallikarjun Gati, partner and marketing director of Gati Group, to come up on stage to receive this award.
Hi, I am Tanya here from the Leadership Media. Sir, can you please short introduce about yourself?
My name is Mallikarjun Gatti, and I'm the marketing director and partner for Gatti Groups. So we are specialized in non-basmati rice. Non-basmati rice, especially Sona Masuri. So our company was established in 1986, and I'm the 3rd generation entrepreneur in my family. So yeah.
Exactly. And how do you feel about getting this award?
I mean, I feel great. This is my first award, and then I feel so great about it. Thank you so much for the Universal Media and the team for making this happen.
Perfect. And whom you would like to dedicate or thanks for this award?
My father.
Please say some lines to her.
I mean, I've always been inspired by my father, the way he does business. He's a big fan of Ratan Tata, and we believe in not just chasing money, but adding value to the society and doing whatever we do with ethics.
Thank you so much for your valuable time. Congratulations and keep growing with us. Thank you.
The next award is for the best engineering consultancy through innovative project management with cost-effective design and adherence to best supervision and quality control. Goes to L.N. Malviya Infra Projects Private Limited. Requesting Dr. L.N. Malviya, Director of L.N. Malviya Infra Projects Private Limited, to come up on stage and accept this prestigious award. The next award is for the most promising emerging software development company of the year. And the award goes to InnoBlooms Info Services Private Limited. Requesting Ms. Shivani Goyal, Director of InnoBlooms Info Services Private Limited, to kindly come up on stage to accept this award. Congratulations. And the award for Emerging Ayurvedic Pharma Company of the Year goes to IB Ayurveda. Requesting Ms. Charu Bansalji, Director and Founder of IB Ayurveda, to please join us on stage to receive this award. And the award for Most Promising Organic Agri-Product Manufacturer Company of the Year goes to InnoBlooms Multi-Orgon LLP. Requesting Mr. Vivek Bansal, Founder and CEO of InnoBlooms Multi-Orgon LLP, to kindly come up on stage to receive this award. The award for the most innovative electrical and power solution brand of the year goes to Bharat Guard Specialty Cables LLP. Requesting Mr. Jitendra Nautiyal, Director of Bharat Guard Specialty Cables LLP, to join us on stage to receive this prestigious award. The award for Most Emerging Comfy Wear Company India goes to Dear Bed. Congratulations. Requesting Ms. Shreya Bansalji, Founder of Dear Bed, to come up on stage to receive the award. The next award is for the Award for Excellence in Research and Innovation Award for Pioneering Contributions to Phytomedicine in Cancer and Diabetes Care goes to KK Herbal Industries. May I request Dr. Kanhaiya Ranganath Haru Kadam, Chairman of KK Herbal Industries, to come up on stage to receive this award.
Hi, I'm Tanya from the Universal Media, sir. Can you please introduce us about yourself and your company as well?
Yeah. Myself, Dr. Kadam, and my company name is KK Herbal Industry, Sarvagya Ayurved Hospital, as well as I am director at Rajmandri, Godavari Global University, as well as working in phytomedicine, Baba Farid University, Medical University, Punjab.
And what about your future plans?
Future plans, we are expanding all this concept over 16 countries, all over the world, even in USA also.
Well, thank you so much for your valuable time and keep growing, sir. Thank you so much.
The next award is for the leading air cooler manufacturer of the year, Uttar Pradesh. And the award goes to Blue Hire. Requesting Mr. Danish Gaur, proprietor of Blue Hire, to kindly come up on stage to receive this prestigious award. The next award is for Excellence in Cancer Neuropathy in India. And the award goes to Dr. Dilip Donekar. Requesting Dr. Dilip Donekar to come up on stage to receive this glorious award.
Sir, I'm Tanya from the Universal Media. Can you please introduce about yourself and your company as well?
Yeah, myself, Dr. Dilip Donekar, DGC Naturopathy Heart and Cancer Center. We are running 3 hospitals, Nagpur, Mumbai and Dubai. Basically, we are running naturopathy hospital, targeting the cancer. Which type of cancer? Lots of type of cancer. Naturopathy way of the stream in the cancer, how to care. There's the cancer. The cancer is the very biggest issue in the country, in the world. But my treatment is naturopathy way. Cancer treatment is the perfectly, because lots of patients satisfied for the cancer disease. lots of patients cancer disease, but that's why naturopathy medicine is very powerful medicine. It's not side effect, no side effects. It's zero side effects. Nothing any chemo, right, radiations and immunotherapy and target therapy. Avoid this any target therapy and chemotherapy because naturopathy way is the perfect way. Naturopathy stream is the perfect cure of cancer, any types of cancer. So that's why naturopathy treatments.
Perfect. Well, a very nice thing will let us know. Well, thank you so much, sir, for your valuable feedback.
थर्ड एशिया लीडरशिप अवार्ड मैं तहे दिल से उन्हें शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ अमित सर को जिन्होंने इतना अच्छा कार्यक्रम इतना अच्छा अवार्ड फंक्शंस कर रहे वो भी होटल रेडिसन्स ब्लू में एज ए दिल्ली में तो ये बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो बाकी अदर्स डॉक्टर के यहाँ आपको एक व्यासपीठ एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है आप अपने विचार और आपने जो काम किया उसका एक पावती एक रिसिप्ट आपको यहाँ मिलता है द थर्ड एशिया लीडरशिप अवार्ड. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time. Perfect.
And the award for the most trusted pipe manufacturer company of the year goes 2025 goes to Mittal Tube Company, Havra. Requesting Mr. Mahip Mittal, CEO of Mittal Tube Company, Havra, to kindly come up on stage to receive this award. The next award for India's best tree manufacturer and wholesaler company goes to Malan Foods Products Private Limited, requesting Mr. Amal Bora, Managing Director, and Ms. Poonam Bharali Bora, Director of Malan Food Products Private Limited, to kindly come up on stage and receive this prestigious award. The next award is for North India's Best Nature and Wellness Resort of the Year. And the award goes to Essence of Nature Resort and Spa. Requesting Mr. Vivek Tyagi, Director of Essence of Nature Resort and Spa, to kindly come up on stage to receive this award.
Hi, I'm Tanya from the Universal Media. Sir, can you please introduce about yourself and your company as well?
I'm one of the directors of a company called Tybros, and we own a resort in Uttarakhand by the name of Essence of Nature Resorts. It is a holistic wellness retreat at a height of 6,000 feet above the sea level. It is one of its kind in Uttarakhand, and we are here and we are very happy that we have been given a chance to participate in this prestigious award. Yeah.
What is your future plan? Like, what are your future plans?
Future plan is to expand and take Eon, our resort Essence of Nature, to various parts of not only Uttarakhand, to other states as well. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time, valuable feedback. Perfect.